Hi friends, today we are going to learn BIOS programming. We have RT809H BIOS programmer. This is a universal BIOS programmer, and we can program like 25, then 24 pin, 20, 25 numbers, and there are so many chips we can program. We can program even SIO, and on this this is connectors, different connectors. Okay, and this BIOS is actually a multifunction. This is a multifunction programmer. You can program a monitor, then HDMI connector is there, then JTAG, and all types of BIOS we can program. Now we are going to learn laptop BIOS programming, and with this help of connector we are going to program the BIOS. And I have a motherboard. I have this HP laptop motherboards. The motherboard model number is a Quanta motherboards. The motherboard model number is U89, U83, yeah, U83, and here is my BIOS. This one is my BIOS chips. Now I am going to remove these chips. Now we are going to remove these chips. The hot gun. And chip is removed. Now we are going to program these chips. Now we install the chip on the socket, and this sockets I am going to install in the BIOS programmer. We have to make sure my pin number 1 should be on my left hand side. This is my pin number 1. My 1 number should be on this side. So I have to make sure that, and then we have to install the socket on the programmer like this. To connect USB cable to the programmer, another end cable connected to the computer. Now my software is already installed on the software is this 809H. This is the software which is already installed on the PC. So next is I have to download the BIOS. Now we'll download the BIOS program from the internet. Normally we use basically this site, vinafix.com. This is a Vietnamese site, and this is a pay site, and here I have to put model number of the motherboard. This model number is this. This is a Quanta motherboards, and this motherboard I have to put. This is a U83. I have to put here U83 and then search. Then we are getting all this result. Okay, then I have to click. This one is a schematic diagram. Scroll down. Yeah, now this is a BIOS. This is a zip file, 3.8 MB. When we extract it, it will become 8 MB. This file is now downloading. This file is downloading now. Yeah, the file is downloaded. Now I'll take that file to the desktop. I'll make a folder here. U83. I'll put that file and extract. Right click and extract here. See, this file is created. Travelin 14 U83 UMA bin file. It's a binary file, and the size of this file is 8 MB. Now I'm going to put this file into my BIOS chips. I'll open a program, this RT809H program which is already installed. Yes, run, and this program is ready to work. I'll already connect programmer to my PC, and then already chip is there. I'll connect smart identify. This is the voltage 25x 3.3 volt. Then okay, yeah, okay. Now the chip is selected. The currently selected is GD2564, that is 64 megabits, that means 8 megabyte chips is selected. Now the chip is ready. Now I'll for safety purpose I'll take a backup. This is my read command. There are so many commands: read, then save, then open, then write, verify, erase, blank check, protect, and cancel. So first I'll do is I'll click on read, so my chip will read. Now the chip is reading. Yeah, I can save the chips. The chip is already saved. Now I'm going to program these chips, the program which I download from the net on the WinFX, that I'll open. I kept on desktop. The file name I kept U83, and this is my chip. This is my program. So I'll open it. Open. Now it's ready to program. Then I'll click on write. Yes, see. Now the chip is writing. Yeah, chip is now the finish. Program successful. Now I have to remove the chips and put it back into the motherboard. So we see how to program the BIOS. Thank you very much.